Their concept of things is just so vast, given down generation to generation, you know.
It gets so cold around these parts in the winter months, in zero, in the northeast, that long aging and storing meat is a necessity, but it's also a part of their cultural identity.
In all my travels in the Northeast, I've never seen a community long age meat this way. They all smoke it and they all age, especially pork. And while every community has something equivalent to this open fireplace in the middle of their living quarters, and they all have meat hanging at the side or sitting on racks, nobody is aging it for so long. So that's really something curious. I mean, if you put a piece of pork skin in your mouth, you're going to be chewing for like half an hour on it, right? And here we were taking this basic knife and just cutting through like butter.
Yeah.
Jeez. It sounds so hot. It was hot to hold, which is why it was a little difficult to handle. It's amazing.
2-3 महीने का जो एज हुआ है, that is more flavorful. और फिर जो 1 साल से बढ़ के जो हुआ है, that is a little bit less flavorful, but it has more value. More value. It's more valuable.
इसको जला के रखने का बाद हम लोग पानी में डायरेक्ट बॉईल करेगा.
Okay.
ये अगर पक गए उसका ऊपर में हम लोग क्या वेजिटेबल डालेगा डालकर.
So when they make pillais, they just drop the pork in the broth.
And that's
Then it's boiled pork, yeah, thick broth with bamboo shoots, fermented bamboo shoots.
खाने में तो रेगुलर ही खाता है.
खाते हैं?
हाँ, लेकिन फेस्टिवल जैसा मैं इसको कंपल्सरी बनाती हूँ.
Okay.